Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to save CapCut video in gallery. So let's start, it's very easy. Now we are here on CapCut and just select new project, okay? Now let's select a video, in this case I will select this one, that. And now we are here on CapCut editing studio, so you can edit the video whatever you want, put sound, effect, whatever. Okay, you have here the options. Then when you are sure about your edition, you can select also what size you want the video. In this case 1080 pixels, 2K or 4K, frame rate, code rate, etc. When you are finished this, you can do in export. In this way the video will be exported to your gallery. If you want to post on a social media, you can do it without any problem, and then also you can do with done, and that's it. Your video will be saved on your gallery. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.